Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to the vlog. I guess this is kind of full day of eating, but also just kind of giving you a look into my routine, which I've given you a look into probably like every other video, but things have changed a little bit since I don't go to the gym anymore since it's closed and, coronavirus. So yeah, just eating my breakfast. These are my protein waffles, mostly just banana eggs, and then protein powder topping recipe is actually, so my digital cookbook right now is free. If you just go to my website and then enter your email, and you'll get a free download. It'll be free up until we are freed from quarantine, self-isolation. So get on that now if you want more recipes to refine your cooking skills during this time. And they're really easy recipes, really limited ingredients, so it's not like you have to go to the store with a list and be like, I need all of these things. So that's if you're interested. But yeah, it is currently 5:46. I'm just gonna get to work and hop right into things. I've got a lot of client schedules to make for the following week, and then I'll probably get a workout in, and I'll see you then. Alright, so my workout number one for the day is done. I am going to do a second workout, mostly because I got distracted because I disobeyed my own rule of not working while working out. So a little bit frustrated with myself with that because it just didn't allow me to get in the zone, and I really need that to recharge and like rest my brain a bit. So I'm gonna take advantage of the afternoon, get in a second workout. I've kind of been doing that more so recently because I've noticed that between like the hours of like 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock work-wise, I am not very productive. It's almost like my brain is fried and I just don't want to think, and I can't think straight. And so if I get out some physical energy, it tends to help me. So I'm gonna take advantage of that later, getting a little bit more physical exercise. But until then, I have a client that I'm about to hop on a call with and check in with. But I will see you guys at lunchtime. Alright, so it's lunchtime. It's 12 o'clock. Just want to show you what I've got cooking here. So, garlic, basil, zucchini, mushrooms, peppers, pre-baked sweet potato that I'm just going to fry up in the pan real quick. And then some ground turkey that's already cooked. Got my pan heating up already. It's gonna be like the quickest meal ever. Basically just gonna throw it all in the pan together. So that's gonna be lunch. Lunch is complete. It's kind of a weird flavor combination, but it actually goes, tastes pretty good. So I'm gonna eat this, do some more work, probably until my second workout, and yeah, see you in a bit. This is quarantine life, everyday life. But yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. All right, bye. Okay, so it's about 5:40 and it is dinner time, and I'm gonna cook this up real time for you because I've already done most of the prep work. So what I've got here for dinner, I'm gonna be doing salad. It is warm enough for salad today, so got all this goodness in here: spinach, avocado, tomato, peppers, some radish, and then these are golden beets. It looks like mangoes, but it is not. And then I've got this shrimp marinating here with some olive oil, cumin and chili powder, and then I put in some fresh garlic and ginger, and then a little splash of sriracha. So it's gonna give it a little bit of a kick. Oh, and then salt. So I'm gonna just add this in here. Really hard to do with one hand. So let's flip around here. One day I will have a camera person. Maybe? I don't know. Alright, so here's my shrimp. There we go. Alright, so I kind of failed to like cook and film at the same time there, but you didn't really miss much. It's just finishing up cooking. So what I'm doing now is I'm plating it up, and I actually want to take some pictures for the gram or the blog, the Shit You Will Cook blog, which, do you guys even know exists? It does. I want to put up some more recipes up on there. There are some recipes up there already if you guys want to check it out. But this will be one to add to that. But making things look pretty and appetizing is all part of the gig of food blogs. I'm no professional, but you know, I gotta try. So when it comes to food photography, this is what we got so far. I have left off some of my ingredients so that I can kind of like adjust them, put them on top as needed for color. So we've got these avocado right here to add some more green, just so people know, hey, there is some avocado in this recipe. Normally it would be kind of buried. And then it's like, hey, we also have some radishes in this recipe. So we are going to put these so that they are visible as well. Just kind of, you know, randomly placed. And then we want the golden beets for some yellow color. People are definitely going to think these are mangoes, but they are not. They are not. Mangoes would be delicious with this as well, though. But today we have golden beets. So there it is. Voila. This is my big ass salad. And I can't wait to eat it. I already tossed it with dressing. I forgot to mention that. So I tossed it in that bigger bowl with some of Trader Joe's fat-free balsamic dressing. Now I'm gonna take a picture before it gets too dark and the lighting sucks. Lighting kind of already sucks, so I'm gonna hurry. Alright, so now that my photo shoot is done for this salad, this big ass salad is heavy. The best thing about salads, I always recommend them for anyone who's dieting, is because you get to eat so much volume for not a lot of calories, so it feels like you're actually eating more than you are. So anyone who's dieting, the secret is volume. Salads are great. They don't have to be shitty. If you don't like salads, it's because they might be shitty, and they don't have to be. They can be full of different ingredients, full of different flavors. So go at it, have fun. You know, salads are kind of like, I feel like they're like the cereal of food. You can just add all sorts of different things in there. I think the avocados are like the marshmallows if this was Lucky Charms. But anyways, I'm gonna eat this and get back to some work so I can try to cut it off by 7:30. That's like my work cutoff time, or at least I've been trying to do that lately. And yeah, that's it. See you in a bit. It's officially 7:30, so technically I'm supposed to stop working. I have a few things left to just tie up real quick, but then I'll be done. But it is dessert time, so I've got whey protein powder and PB Fit, two servings of this, one serving of this, mixed up with some water, and then I put some almond butter on the top just to give it a little bit of a creamy texture. And I love almond butter. I was actually I was going to use coconut cream today, just because it just sounded good, and I saw it at the grocery store and I was like, cool, I'm gonna use this. And I do not have a can opener. I don't. I haven't had one since I've lived here. So I gotta get one of those. So yeah, just gonna eat this, finish up some work stuff, and then I'll see you after that. The plan is to start winding down for bed and get ready to sleep. But we'll see how that goes. Alright, see you in a bit. Finally settle in for the night. I am watching the rest of this episode of My 600 Pound Life, season 8, and I gotta say, I have some like mixed feelings about season 8, and I also feel like Dr. Now needs to retire soon. But yeah, there's not been a lot of success on this season, so that's kind of discouraging. I really like seeing people like change their lives and, you know, the happy aspects of it. It's always interesting. I watch the show because I really enjoy listening to people's stories, and there's always like this underlying trauma that people have to work through, and it just shows like at the core all of these things come from an emotional situation, or just like you know, things that need therapy and things like that. So I don't watch the show to be like body shaming or whatever. It's like I see parts of myself in people, like there's the empathy aspect of it, and I just have this. I've always really been interested in hearing people's stories and backgrounds, so that's what I enjoy most about it. But enough about that. And Carly is just snuggled up at the end of the bed. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking now and start settling down, do my meditation. I'm on an 11-day streak now. Yeah. So hey, look at me go. But hey guys, thanks so much for watching, and I don't know what else to say besides thank you. And if you made it this far in the video, you are a champ. Yeah, if you haven't checked out any of my recent live videos, you should check those out. They are good. Let me know if I should try to, you know, keep those types of videos up. Give it a thumbs up, that sort of stuff. Peace out. I'll see you next time.